Hi friends. So I'm happy to share my first Python application that I built to fetch data from YouTube. So using this application, you can fetch data of any YouTube channel. For that, you just have to enter your channel name here. After that, you have to enter number of videos. So every channel has uploaded some videos, and you would be able to fetch latest number of videos. If you say 5 here, you will get a data for 5 videos. If you say 10, 50, 100 or 500 or 1000, you will get the data for those many number of videos. If videos are available, if I say 1000 and if the number of videos are not available, maybe 100 or 200 videos, so you will get the data for same. After that, per video, if you want 10 comment, 20 comment or 50 comments, you can enter the number for comment and you will get those number of comments for each for every video that we have fetched. Okay, and after that, you must have your YouTube API key. Okay, if you don't have this key, you won't be able to use this application, and if you don't know how to get it, so I have given one link here. If you click on this link, you will redirect it to the page where you will find the steps that how to get your API key. Okay, then next, what you have to enter any channel name. Let's suppose say I entered Telescope and I want 50 videos and I want 20 comments. If those number of videos and comments are available, you will get the comments for the particular video. If comments are not available, you will not get anything for that. Okay, and you just have to click on get detail. You need to wait for some time. It depends upon internet speed and response by YouTube. And using this application, you would be able to fetch video link, channel ID, and we can say number of likes for the video. And even you would be able to watch that video, you would be able to download that video, you would be able to save the data we can see on a screen in the SQL and MongoDB. That is what we are going to perform now. Okay, so this will take 2 to 3 minutes of time. Time we got a response from YouTube. We have fetched the data successfully. In the while we see this application and features, I will start extracting data for another channel. I will go for 500 videos and 20 comments, and then whatever the key you want to use, you must use your key. Okay, and then I will go back to this page. Okay, till the time that data will be fetched. So you can see this is what the channel name Telescope. And if you want to view the channel, you can click on the view channel link and it will be redirected to the video page of that channel. Okay. And here you can see the latest video, full stack Java developer live course, job guarantee and announcement. So here you can see the same name of that video, right? And if you go, it has 830. This number first one dot number is indicating for the likes or for first video. Okay, this is for the first number of first videos, number of comments. Okay, so this is how the list is designed. So because we are fetching number of comments here, and for first video, first comment, second comment, third comment. Okay, so this video has 110 comment. Out of that, we have only fetched 20 as we have entered a 20 number of comment. And after that, you can see the name of people who has commented on that video. So let's say this is the first comment. This comment is posted by this Swati. If you want to download this video, you can click on download and the video will be downloaded to your download folder. You can go to the your download folder and you can see here implementation. Okay, this is not the video. This is what the quiz. Okay, so here you will get the file. That file will be once the download is completed. And this is the earlier video that I have downloaded. Okay, apart from this, I can stop this. Okay, if you want to save the data in the Excel format, the entire data, you can click on save Excel and it will save the file with channel name .xlsx. You can see your file as Telesco Excel file here. Just I have saved at 1706. Similarly, you would be able to save the data in CSV and HTML format. Okay. And in case if you want to insert the data in the MongoDB, you must use your MongoDB SRV link. You just have to paste your link and click on this button, insert data into MongoDB. You can see this data in your MongoDB. So if I go to MongoDB page, so as of now, there is no database called YouTube. So database will be automatically called with the name YouTube and channel name will be preferred as an table name. Data is not inserted. It's okay. Once the data will be inserted, you will get a message like inserted to MongoDB. You can go to the MongoDB and you can check here. Just refresh the page and you will find the same data here. Okay, with the table name, I will be preferred as a channel name. So with the name Telesco, one table is created here. And here you can see the title of video, that full stack Java developer live course job guarantee announcement. Similarly, all the titles you can see that all 0 to 49 means 50 videos. Details are saved here. Thumbnail links are there. If you want to see or wants to go for video link, this is video ID and link is something here. Okay. So this is how you are able to insert the data in MongoDB. And one more thing that you can pass the data to MySQL database also. So just use your credentials. This is localhost and click on this insert data into MySQL DB. If the data will be successfully inserted, you can go to your workbench application. Just use YouTube, then show tables. Table will be created again with the Telesco name. That is what the only table that I have. And then we can fetch the details from this, let's say. And you can see all the 50 videos with title and thumbnail links, number of likes, comments, and then authors. Okay, so this is how data will be saved in the database. Go back to the application. Okay, and yes, so this is properly working and you can fetch data of any channel, any of the channel from YouTube. Okay, if there is no restriction from YouTube's or subscriber channel owners ends. Okay, we were trying to fetch videos from Chris Naik channel and we are successfully able to get the 500 videos also. Okay, and if you want to watch the video, you can click on the watch video and it will be redirected to the that video directly. Okay, just close this. Okay, so this is how a small application I have built, and yes, I'm very happy so that I can see. One more thing I would like to show you that the application is deployed on this Heroku. So you can refresh this link and you will be able to use this application from anywhere. Okay. After that, same application is deployed on Azure. This is the Azure link, and this is also deployed on AWS Elastic Bin Services. So these are the URLs for these three deployments. Thank you.